In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage store preferences on Steam. Steam is a fantastic platform for gamers, and customizing your store preferences can greatly enhance your browsing experience. By tailoring the store to your specific interests, you can ensure that you see more of what you love and less of what doesn't interest you. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can accomplish this. First off, we need to launch Steam and sign into our account. If you haven't installed Steam yet, you can easily get it from their official website. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. Now direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar. Click on your profile name, located in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Account Details. This section houses all the information related to your account, and it's where you can tweak various settings to your liking. Within Account Details, look for the option labeled Store Purchase History. Click on it, and you'll be guided to a new page that gives you an overview of your store settings. Here you'll find the key area we're interested in, your store preferences. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on it, you delve into an area that allows you to personalize your interaction with the Steam store. Now, what exactly can you customize here? Let's find out. Firstly, you'll notice that Steam lets you filter the store content by language. If you prefer to see the game descriptions, reviews, and all other content in a particular language, here's where you make that change. Moving on, you'll see an option to adjust your preferences regarding mature content. You can choose to block, allow, or receive warnings for games that contain mature content or explicit material, according to your comfort level. As you scroll down, you'll discover the exclusions section. This is particularly helpful if there are specific genres or game types you'd rather avoid. Perhaps you're not a fan of horror games or simulators. You can check off these categories to ensure they don't promo in your store recommendations or as suggestions. One helpful tip is to take advantage of the Tag Preferences feature. By selecting your favored tags, you instruct Steam on the types of games you're interested in, encouraging the algorithm to suggest appropriate titles. For instance, if you love role-playing games or indie titles, marking these tags will enrich your browsing experience. Once you've made all the desired adjustments, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page. Give it a click, and voila, you've successfully customized your store preferences. Now you're all set to enjoy a more personalized and enjoyable experience. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!